Hey, I am a live stream at Montagnard Dega Association. They do a market over here. They have free screen clinics, so they're going to check your high blood pressure, cholesterol, and all the good stuff. So this is the venue right here. They sell flowers, a bag. I think he about to buy a bag right here. Say something. Yeah.
Come out.
Yeah, this is flowers. Whoever have a girlfriend or wife, you can say this is the plastic flower, I guess. Yeah. And this is whoever graduate. You can come here and get some flower for your daughter or sons. And he about to get some back for her daughter. This is artist right here. Yeah, this is see his artist. She drew all of this. That's her. Look like her for real. It was at first I was not recognizing. No. Yeah, they sell some hats. How much is this? Bag? 10? 20. So you guys, if you need some bag to go shopping, here it is. Just come and get it. Support over here, okay? And she's about to get married next couple. Here you go. So this is art. You don't want it? So it's also the Montagnard traditional clothes. Này nước rồi em. The Gina. That's him too. It's all him. You guys can come and support. This is dragon fruit. It's $12. It's art. And this is where are they from? Where's you from? Afghanistan. This is traditional dress from Afghanistan. So it's on sale. So if you guys interested to a traditional dress from Afghanistan and other areas. And this one is, where are you from? Afghanistan. So it's the same thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a beautiful dress. This is $20, right? Hey, you eat a lot, brother. And this one is the last one.
You should have cooked, right? You should have grilled something.
I know, right? And this is the graduation. He's gonna spend at least $200 today. And this is Clea. That's her dad. She's selling hat from Montagnard. It's a $20, and then this one is. She about to go army too. It's $13. Look. And we have Montagnard traditional dress right here. See, it's beautiful. So you guys can come and buy for your daughter. Clan, you buying something? Don't touch it if you're not buying.
How much? Cash. What is he getting?
It's, I don't know who she is, but she is somewhere over here. That's my ugly niece.
On $6.
Look like this table is make a lot of money. This is a good chef right here. She been busy since this morning, so all her money right here too. Oh, that's a lot. See? I think you guys recognize her, right? She is make a good food over here. Look, I even try myself. And this is my neighbor. Này người đẹp dòng mà nuôi này. Anna, say hi. I have to come and review what they're doing over here. So what is this? Yeah, say something. What is it? So I try to call people. Come on. Yeah, I do a live stream. Yeah. This is Nguyen. So you guys know her if you know Juan. No, that's Juan's sister. So come and support. What is this? Fried bananas, fried potatoes. They do it fresh over here. Look, see, even have the ingredients. That's a flour, I think. This oil, and they busy. You know, food is always busy. The bánh mì is $8, and bananas and potato is a 3 for $1. This is decent price. This is at Greensboro downtown. Come on, Rick, just come. Drive fast from Raleigh, okay? You need to come over here right now before Nguyen gonna sell out. There, this one right here, look. He's a big supporter. And his wife. Look, I think you guys recognize her. It's live stream. No, I'm just kidding. Her man is working hard right here. Yeah. I know. Next. Hello. Can you tell a little bit about this? Come on.
Montagnard Association of North Carolina. We're non-profit-based students right here.
Okay.
We have several services, including civic engagement, we got community outreach, refugee support services, interpretation, and traditional art programs.
Okay. Here you guys. So we have it over here. Okay. This is Montagnard Association of North Carolina. It used to be MDA, so they just changed the name for it. So this is the tables. Yeah, they also, let me see. So the civic engagement, community outreach, refugee support services, interpretation in what is it? Traditional art and program. So if you guys wanna dance, do whatever, just come here.
In the summer, we're gonna have the youth soccer camp. So this will be for middle and high school only. So if there's anyone interested, then let us know.
Yeah, this one right here. If you have kids that would like to participate on the summer program, the youth soccer camp 2025. At the moment, they're accepting.
On the back, there's also for parents as well.
Oh, here you go. We have parents too. Okay, so contact her. All right, let me go around.
Desserts, and then we'll get started from there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
No
So
problem.
beautiful.
Oh well, let's look at this one. This is look like Montagnard food. I don't know if you guys recognize her, but it's been a long time I didn't see her. So that's your son?
These three.
Wow, that's big. He bigger than me. So just come and support, guys. They still have a lot of stuff in here. I call it bánh bò right here, and that's bánh bao, right?
Yeah.
What do you call in there then? Okay, we just use bánh bao in Vietnamese, and we know this bánh bò. Yeah. Oh, food again. Come on, look. Say something. Say something. I do a live stream. Go. Bánh hỏi. Wow. Why they call it bánh hỏi? Is that a question mark right there? What is this? How they make this, right? So, yeah, they sell a lot of stuff over here. It's a good too. And then papaya. I think we already eat it early. It's so spicy. It depends how you want it. So we make it super spicy. So that's her sister-in-law. Bánh mì. How do you say it in Bandung? This is papaya salad, right? And
Papaya salad, cucumber salad, spicy, and Doritos.
they still have a lot of stuff, so come out, guys. I did try it, so it's pretty good. It depends how you want it, super hot or medium, whatever. So they can make it right at the spot. So just come out. There you go. This is how she made. So she making Thai tea. What is it? Okay. Here you go. Watch how she make it. Hope she not dropping anything. Oh, wow. They have everything prepared. So. Oh, they just put ice, lemon, and other stuff. More. I thought you were gonna add some more. Actually, you can add some more.
No.
That's what I did earlier.
I know. See, I know my limit.
Yeah. This is how she make it, right?
You see who I work with, right? I work with.
That's the eggplant.
For almost 40 years, so I eat the food every day.
But this is not spicy enough for Montagnard.
Oh, I know it.
Look.
I work with the
Oh, okay.
it's really, really hot.
Yeah. So probably let me call Sue to add some more hot pepper. Yeah. So this is how they make it, right? They have carrot. You ran out or what?
They're doing a lot of papaya salad. You guys want to tell the Facebook Live who you are?
Yes. So we're
Oh, here she is. Been looking for her. Oh. Good job. I do live stream, try to call people.
all right. Got it.
I think they close. Diana, you close at 3, right? Okay, they close around 3 at 2, Joa. So they're still around here. But come quicker though. They almost run out of food. Banh mi is really popular over here. There's a lot of people waiting online, and also they have the other stuff around here too. So just come. What day you want? Which one? You're not done eating yet? Look, this is a big supporter, but he supported his belly. Volunteer? What do you volunteer? Volunteer to eat. Okay, here you go. And his daughter is hiding right there and eating. What are you eating? Papaya salad. Hold on. Let me give money to this little kiddo. There you go, giving money to this daughter. I don't know what she wants. Security guard, come here.
You working hard.
Hey, Clan, why are you hiding over here? Come out. They need you.
Lennon.
I didn't even know that you back there.
Here she is. She eat a hot papaya salad and her face is red. Her tear is about to drop. Look like her dad is beating her up, but actually it's not. She eating. Well, it ran out. You put a lot of hot pepper? Medium. And you cry. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Boss man right here. Boss man right here. Say something, boss. I don't know. Say. I record until you say. This is a live stream, by the way. He buy only drink. Yes, look. Beautiful outfit.
This community's Montagnard, right?
Yeah. All right, let me go with my brother here. And then, now you're gonna talk. You review. I record you. Yeah, nice live stream, lah. Yeah.
Anybody watch?
3. It was a lot. Let's go. Start from where? Where?
How to say?
Right there, tụ mà đi. Nah. Let's go. All right, let me start another live stream, okay? You need to start watching. This is the what is it called? All right, you guys.
Lên trên trên xa họ này phải là thì green này đây sẽ gặp đây lại màu đỉnh cấp mà ta hồi đây rồi này chỉ năm về đây thế này sẽ bố trình con sang đây ngạm nâng bưng mày lôm đấy chặt mắt cái này sẽ chụp ao màu must be ta đây bên gặp đây văn về đây này trò chơi bên đồng cùng mai họ rồi này thì rồi làm đây làm để bưng nâng làm để trang chụp ao để lăng để ao để cái
Okay, lăng lên rồi. Mai. Ở đây nè. Hơn berarti sebelah non mai metri chang lah. Ao này satu, okay. Ao nan lau plo metri ở đây chang. Nam nham này, chọn nham này. Look at it. Sila. Can he try? Yeah or no? Oh boy. Đâu, lông này. Lông thư lông cái từ ta man nhờ lòng mạng tâm như này mà là mau có mấy tri không thảo mà nuôi nhiều không mà nó cái nào ở đây cái đấy Kalau punya iya pokok ada gue kata. Là độc đuông nhật là. All right, Gloria, tell a little bit about your art. How much? You didn't tell the price?
Well, the price the prints is $12 for stickers. The bigger stickers are $2.
Here you go. Come and support her over here. She is good artist. She draw a lot of stuff, and that's a dragon fruit. I don't know. You draw or you print? Oh, okay. Good. Yeah, draw on an iPad and print it. It's a new technology combined with the. They do something on it. But let's go around. All right, just come and buy her stuff over here. She graduating from Weavers High School, right? Where do you go to college next? NC State. Woo. What is your major? Design. Here you go. Good luck. Let's go over there. Nah. Go. Go you tell. Now you're not reviewing it.
So I have some stickers. Rice wine jar. And then what about this one? The basket. Oh yes.
Is that the Ukrainian, right?
No, this for this one is Montagnard. I believe for the rice one, everybody uses it out.
The elephant. That's representing. Oh, I thought you were gonna say Thailand. And C is from right here.
Oh, I have different prints, stories. There's like dance outfits, or you can get little like live drawings. For example, this is Rena. So you can take a picture with your friends or family, or you can get little clay food friends. So if you like dumplings, tomatoes, garlic, or maybe bok choy, you can get little clay friends. And then if you're a kid, you can spin this for free and just get like a little paper friend and a little candy kind of thing.
Okay. Well, thank you. Alright.
Nói chung sẽ được chiếc trang phần buồn trà để gồm thế này. Thế là xin nhiều này.
That's Karani, Philippines. Yeah, Philippines.
Alongo or Iloilo.
So how do you say that?
Alongo or Iloilo.
Hi, say something in Philippines, and you have to translate yourself. Okay.
If you're ever in the Philippines, the most important phrase you need to know is which means I'm lost, please help me. And someone will come help you if you don't know what you need.
What is it? Say it again. Say it slowly.
Nawawala,
Nawalala,
ako,
ako,
ulong,
ulong,
po.
po.
Yes.
Wow, that's a long.
It's a long, but if you just, but maybe the most important thing, just say po at the end of any sentence.
Po?
Po, because it's like respect, like sir, ma'am. So
Oh.
anything you say, just add po to the end, and we'll be like, oh, so polite, so nice, yes, we'll help you.
Oh, okay. Oh, at least remember that. There you go.
Sẽ là cà phê bên này là
Karani,
cà rem.
Karani. Yeah. Yeah. Hội chợ thì Charmy. Thinking about your wife.
Thế này, mọi chiếc cà phê. Còn chiếc trang thế này.
No. I'm just a camera recorder. Just come and support. I mean, buy something for your girlfriend. Maybe that, you know, her wife. Oh, whoa. Oh. Sing hạ, sao hả? Đi mà ra. Let's go over there. Hội chợ ở Mỹ. Đây là trong hội của người Montagnard. Yeah.
này họ chẳng mang
Từ lâu đi.
từ lâu vậy này chẳng mang từ đây không nhập tâm nâng về souvenirsที่ไหนอย่างหมดเป็นตัวจังนะครับได้รู้ทำไป support แบบบางคนร่างมาแต่ไหน and they click like and they comment the good at support teman oh mungkin sesi like track madahan no dala jaga jinjang re dari na ya re saya bisa experience na ya dan ibu nembang dalam jam tam dan na molu jaga jinjang
Mana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah!
What the heck?
Oh, free drink! You got 10 free drink? 10. That's 13. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I do live stream, so maybe we can watch later. Let me try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let me try. I don't think one. All right.
oh good man more oh oh Tegal Nossa. Cala mực chừng rồi. Rồi. Come on. Why you stand still? Oh, what's that? Yep.
Oh, sorry. Scoot over here, guys. Scoot over here. It's so windy too. Maybe watch for our food over there. Who's you talking to, baby? Huh? Good job.
ไม่ให้ปูซอกเหรอปูเติมกับมาไทยอ่ะI think baby wants to play too. Kick, baby, kick. Let's see what he does. Oh, good job. Kick. Oh. Wow. Watch out for the baby. Oh. Hey, did you like the movie last night? Huh? Did you like Little Love? Then, yeah? Look. Hi, baby. He wants to play too. Watch for the baby. Look, he's so curious. Let's see what he does. Let's see. Kick it. Woo! Woo! Oh, he's done. Oh. Hiya. Did you just get it, yeah? Oh. Look, he's back. Oh, hey! In-law. Oh, it's getting warm. Bây giờ nóng rồi đó. Papaya salad. You put bubbles in there? I think just water is okay. I don't think you need to put bubble in there. No water? Just bubble? Can you find water anywhere? No? Yeah, bubble not gonna work. I don't think so. I guess. Levi. What's Kathleen and yeah, he's right here. You got, oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to pay me.
Nobody watch.